We are the Hayes family. Hello, I'm Professor Clever, and welcome to Clever Courses. Let's have fun and learn English at the same time. The Hayes family checks in today at the Clever Hotel. Let's watch.
Hello, we are the Hayes family.
Hi, I'm Steve Hayes, and this is my wife, Judy. We're here to check in.
Good morning, Mr. Hayes, and good morning, Mrs. Hayes. My name is Holly. I'm the desk clerk.
Pleased to meet you, Holly. What's our room number?
You're in room 200, and your children are in room 208. Here are your keys.
That's great. Thank you.
Hello, and welcome to the Clever Hotel. My name is George. I am the concierge.
Pleased to meet you, George. I'm Judy Hayes, and this is my husband, Steve.
Hi, George. I'm here for the convention.
Are you a businessman?
No, I'm a lawyer.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm a student.
Pleased to meet you, Sarah. And what is your name?
I'm Brian, and I'm a professional skateboarder.
Brian, you are not a professional skateboarder. He is a wonderful musician.
Aren't they cute?
Yes, they are. Bags, bags, bags. The Hayes family is at the hotel. They need their bags in their room. But they have bags and bags and bags. Watch and see what happens in this lesson.
Jerry, come here, please.
Yes, sir.
I have a job for you. An American family needs their bags.
These are their bags by the front desk.
What is their room number?
They are in room 200. That is on the second floor.
I understand. That's room 200 on the second floor.
That's right. Now take these bags. This is their suitcase.
Ooh.
Can you take another?
Yes, sir.
This is their other suitcase. This
Ooh.
is their backpack.
Oh,
These are their golf clubs.
ooh. Is that the last one? Oh,
No, this is their garment bag.
ooh.
There are two more bags over here by the window. There is a white bag and an orange bag.
Where is the elevator?
The elevator is over there.
Oh, no!
That's a bad fall.
Bags, bags, bags.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Are you German, American, Chinese, Thai, or Canadian? In a hotel, you meet people from all over the world. Who will the Hayes family meet tonight? Let's watch.
George, where are you from? Are you from England?
I am from Canada. I am Canadian.
I'm from America. I am American.
Do people come to the Clever Hotel from other countries?
Yes, we have guests from China. They are Chinese. We have guests from Thailand. They are Thai. We have guests from Vietnam. They are Vietnamese.
Do you have guests from Germany?
Yes, they are German.
Is Germany in Asia?
No, Brian. Germany, France, and England are in Europe. China, Vietnam, and Thailand are in Asia.
People from Europe are European. People from Asia are Asian.
This is French bread.
Is it from France?
No, it is from the bakery. It's next to the chair. Where are you now? In a house? On a chair? Next to a computer? In front of a desk? Am I right? This lesson is about the positions of things. Jerry, where is my toolbox? I want to repair my car.
I don't know, George.
Is it under that table?
No, George. A suitcase is under the table.
Is it next to that chair?
Yes, your toolbox is next to the chair.
Thanks. Now where are my sunglasses? It's very sunny today.
They are on the TV in their case.
Thanks again.
Where is today's newspaper?
It is on that table, next to the elevator.
Where is Holly? I miss her.
Holly is not in the hotel today. Who is that short boy? We use adjectives when we want to describe a noun. We can say, he is a tall and handsome man. This gives a lot more information about the person. We use who when we want to know the name of someone. Listen to Sarah and Mrs. Tarrington discussing people at the swimming pool.
Hello. What is your name?
Good morning. I'm Sarah. What's your name?
My name's Mrs. Tarrington. How old are you, Sarah?
I'm 17 years old.
You're a pretty girl. Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles. Who's that? He is very handsome.
That's Jerry, the bellhop from Chicago. He's 19 years old and very friendly. Do you know who they are?
They are my parents, Steve and Judy. My dad is good-looking and very smart. My mom is beautiful and very kind.
Who is that short boy?
He is my brother. His name is Brian, and he's 15 years old.
What's he like?
He's really naughty. He plays on his skateboard all day.
He's a very wet, naughty boy now.
Do you love cherry pie? Do I love chocolate cake? No, I don't. Do I love cherry pie? Yes, I do. Watch now as Mrs. Tarrington orders dessert.
Daniel, do you have any good desserts?
Yes, we do, Mrs. Tarrington. Our kitchen has very good desserts.
Do you have any chocolate cake?
No, we don't have any cake, but our chef makes very good pies.
Does he make cherry pie?
Yes, he makes a delicious cherry pie. Do you want a piece?
No, I don't. I want 2 pieces. One for me and one for my dog, Cedric. Cedric loves cherry pie. Do you love cherry pie? Oh, yes, you do.
Look at this.
That looks good.
Oh, I am sorry. Does it taste good?
Yes, it does.
What's he wearing? What colors are the clothes you're wearing? Are they blue, red, pink, black, gray, or purple? Let's meet the Chen family, and let's learn about clothes and colors.
Hi, I'm Brian. Who are you?
I'm Jill Chen. I'm Janet Chen. Are you staying here at the Clever Hotel?
Yes, I'm here with my family. That's my dad, Steve.
What's he wearing?
He's wearing blue jeans. And that's my mom, Judy. She's wearing a pink shirt.
My parents are at the front desk. That's my dad, James. He's wearing black pants. And that's my mom, Wendy. She's wearing a white blouse. Who are those people over there?
That's Daniel, the waiter. He's wearing a gray jacket and a red tie. And that's Jerry, the bellhop. He's wearing a purple jacket and a hat.
Who are your new friends?
This is Jill Chen, and this is Janet Chen.
No, I'm Jill, and I'm Janet. We have to go now. Nice meeting you, Brian. Bye.
Girls confuse me.
Brian, they confuse me too.
What's everyone doing? What's everyone doing? Some people are working. Some people are having a day off. Everyone is doing something right now. Where is everybody? Where are Daniel and Jerry?
Daniel is not working today. It's his day off.
Where is Jerry?
Jerry is working at the pool today.
What's he doing there?
He's talking to the guests.
What is he talking about?
He's asking people to join his fitness class.
What are you doing?
I am having a rest before the lunchtime rush.
Is anyone helping you?
No. Everyone is busy now.
Well, I am not busy. I will help you at lunchtime, Holly.
Thanks, George.
On days off, I sleep all day. Many of us do the same things at the same time every day. This is called a routine. Not everybody has the same routine, or even the same idea of what is work and what isn't. Can you three help me? I am planning our new work times.
Sure. What do you want to know?
What time do you get up on a work day?
I get up at 6 in the morning.
I get up at 6:30.
I get up at 5 a.m.
Why do you get up so early?
I take the bus, and it is a long way. I need to make sure I get here on time.
I ride my bicycle to work, and sometimes the trip can take half an hour.
Yes, that is why I like working on Sunday. There is less traffic and I can get up later.
What time do you wake up if it is not a work day?
8 or 9 a.m.
8 a.m. But sometimes 6:30, as I do on work days.
Daniel, what time do you wake up on your day off?
Wake up? I don't. I sleep the whole day.
So it's the same every day.
Do you have any blue paint? To ask questions, we use the verbs do and have. I can ask, do you have any blue paint? You can say, yes, I do have blue paint. Or, no, I don't have any blue paint. Does it take long to learn English? No, it doesn't.
This is our new house. Do you like it?
We love it! How many bedrooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms.
Does it have air conditioning?
Yes, it does. Do you want to go inside?
Yes, we do. What does this sign mean?
That lets us walk through the house. Do you want to go inside?
Yay! That's cool!
This is the living room, and this is the dining room. Do you like the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
So, you like our computer program then, Mrs. Chen?
Yes, I love it. What color are you painting the kitchen?
The refrigerator is white, so I'm painting the kitchen white, too. Let's go upstairs. This is the master bedroom, and this is the bathroom. Do you want us to paint this room white?
Do you have any gray paint?
No, we don't. But we do have this beautiful purple paint.
I do like that color.
And this is the girls' bedroom.
Do you have any blue paint? But I don't like blue. I like pink. Blue. Pink. Blue. Pink.
Girls, don't shout like that.
Do you want these blue and these pink?
Yes, we do.
There's my teddy bear. When we are talking about something that exists or does not exist somewhere, we use the word there. For example, if we have a book on a table, we would say, there is a book on the table. Listen to the Chen family discussing their new house to see how it works.
Mom, is there a washing machine?
Yes, there's a washing machine in the laundry room.
Is there a dishwasher?
Yes, there is. It's here in the kitchen, next to the fridge.
Is there a fireplace for when it's cold?
There's a fireplace in the living room and central heating in all the rooms.
Are there any stores near here? We need to buy curtains for the shower and bathtub.
We need curtain rods for the living room, and we need some new pans for the kitchen.
There's a large shopping mall in Clever City, Wendy. Why don't you take the girls there this afternoon?
That's a good idea.
Is there a yard, Dad?
There's a large yard behind the house.
Is there a swimming pool?
No, Janet, there isn't. There's a patio. We need to buy a barbecue for the yard.
Dad! There's a big truck outside the house.
Oh, good. That's our furniture.
Look in the truck. There's my teddy bear. No, it isn't. It's mine. I'm sure it's mine. Janet, there's a large pink ribbon around its neck. It's mine. Welcome to your new home, Teddy.
Jill. Wake up, honey. You're dreaming.
Gosh, Mom. I thought we were moving into our new house, and my teddy bear was in the truck.
It will be, Jill, very soon. But for now, you will have to enjoy staying at the hotel. Oh, was Janet's teddy bear in the truck too?
No, just mine.
Where did you go on vacation? We use do when we are forming simple present questions with where, what, and why. For example, where do you live? We use adjectives to give us more information about nouns. Adjectives are used to describe things. Listen to Daniel discussing his vacation plans with Brian.
Daniel, where do you go on vacation?
I go to Paradise Island Beach Resort.
Why do you go there?
I like the fresh air, and it's very relaxing.
Is it a hotel, like the Clever Hotel?
No, Brian. It isn't a hotel. The resort has many small cottages. The cottages are in beautiful gardens with tall trees.
Where do you eat?
The resort has an open-air restaurant on a sandy beach.
What's the food like?
The food is delicious. I love the fish. It tastes very fresh.
What do you do there for fun?
Well, I like swimming in the clear water. I see incredible fish swimming beneath me. The resort also organizes interesting tours to visit caves and waterfalls.
That's an expensive vacation, Daniel. How do you afford it?
I have a convenient credit card.
Oh no, Daniel.